breathing and wearing a mask. Listen, it's perceived that you can actually breathe through your mouth and you get more oxygen into your lungs. Okay, true. However, it's so important that you breathe through your nose. There's a couple of reasons why. One is it warms up the air from the atmosphere to get into your lungs, and it's just a lot more efficient to get the air into your lungs, into your bloodstream, to where you actually want to be. Two, as the air goes through the nose, the passageway there, there's a lot of filaments and hair, which actually acts like a filtration device and takes away viruses and bacteria and other things in the air, pollen, what have you, to actually go ahead and let the clean air pass through your lungs. Also, it produces nitric oxide, and that has two good benefits. One is it actually opens up your arteries to help the blood flow, increase capacity, and get more oxygen to your vital organs. And two, it actually kills viruses, bacteria, and other things. So it's like a natural defense. So you want to really, really breathe through your nose and not try so much from your mouth, because when you breathe from your mouth, you will actually inhale more of the pollutants and also create more of a dry mouth, which is just not a good thing to have at this time or any time. So listen, breathe, breathe, breathe fresh air. You need it.